guys, welcome back to Heavenly Gracie Money Corner. On today's episode, I'm going to be telling you 5 free online tools that can boost your income in 2025. Besties, do you know there are free online tools that can save you hours, make your work easier, and even help you earn more money online? Yes. Today I'll show you 5 powerful tools you should start using right now if you want to level up in 2025. If you want to level up. If you want to do what? Level up. So guys, welcome back to Heavenly Gracie Money Corner. This is where I share simple tips and tools to help you earn smarter online. And in today's video, I'm revealing my top 5 free tools that boost income, improve productivity, and make you stand out, whether you're freelancing, creating content, or doing side hustles. Now, let's dive into it. Okay guys, tool number 1 is Canva. First on my list is what? Canva. Yes. If you're creating anything online, social posts, YouTube thumbnails, a business flyer, Canva should be your best friend. It's free, it's easy, and it makes your work look professional, even if you're not a designer. Yes, clean design builds trust. I hope you know that. And trust brings what? Money. Trust brings what? Money. So guys, number 2 on my list will be ChatGPT. Chat what? GPT. That's my bestie. Okay, so AI is your shortcut, bestie. I am telling you. You can generate your scripts, write emails, brainstorm business ideas. You can even create side hustle plan with ChatGPT. I hope you know that. So instead of wasting hours, like you're stuck writing and writing, AI will help your work faster and smarter. It will even enhance your writing. Yes. Now, try it out. Go and try it out. That is if you've not started using it. Tool number 3 is Trello. You can call it Notion. Yes. Because organization equals money. These tools lets you plan your day. It will help you track your goals and manage projects like a pro. Exactly. I said what I said. When you know what to do and when to do it, you stop wasting time. And time saved means more earning power. So guys, tool number 4 is Google Drive. Google Drive and Docs. So if you're freelancing, job hunting, or even doing surveys, you need a safe space to store files. Yes, and send professional documents. With Google Drive and Sheets, documents and sheets, you can create and share work from anywhere as in free of charge. Free of what? Charge. It's like having an office in your pocket. I said what I said. In your pocket. Now let's move over to tool number 5. I know you've been waiting for me to call it CapCut. CapCut. So, bestie, video is king in 2025 with CapCut. You can edit TikTok videos, your YouTube videos, or even create content for clients. Polished video grabs attention, and attention online always brings opportunity to earn. I know you know that. Those are 5 free tools that can help you earn smarter, save time, and shine brighter in 2025. Don't just work hard, work smart with the right tools. So guys, here comes the end of today's video. If this was helpful, tap that like button, subscribe for more money making tips, and share with a friend who is still stuck with old school methods. Until next time, keep winning online. Catch you all later. Mwah.